Hello, friends. Let's learn how to polish the edges of your yellowed books. First of all, what you need is sandpaper of grade P100. You'll need a block of wood. In my case, I'm using uh, an old LP record wiper. I'm going to attach it with masking tape. Why do book edges yellow? They're yellow because there's lignin in the paper that has come from the wood that it was manufactured from. When it gets exposed to air and light, the lignin becomes dark. And that's why you get yellowed book edges like so. Now the good thing is that if the yellowing of the books has not progressed too deep inside the book, you can still recover them with my method. So keep the book at the edge of a table and scrape off the yellow edges, and you can definitely see them whitening. You may not get the book fully white, but at least you'll get it as best as you can.